Students, with a fresh mind, let us go into our session. My channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class ninth standard. Now, in this session, I am going to explain you that first chapter real numbers, exercise 1.4, 7th and 8th bit. What is the 7th question here? Find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimals. Taking root 2 has 1.14 and root 5 has 2.236. Let us go into the solution. What is given in this main? Root 10 minus root 5 and 2 root 2. See here, root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. How we write 10 as 2 5s are 10 no. See, this is here 2 terms are present here. Root A and B. See, root AB. We have to separate the root terms here. Root 2 into root 5. See here. Now we have to keep the arrow marks. Here 2 terms are present here. Same 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. Same like this only we have to write. See, in these 2 terms, which is common here? Root 5 is common. What is left here? Root 2 minus minus. What is left here? Nothing is left. So we have to write 1 here by 2 root 2. In question what they said to take? Root 2 has 1.414 and root 5 has 2.236. See? What is root 5 here? 2.236 no. 2.236. Root 5 has 2.236. Root 2 has 1.414. Bracket 1.414 minus 1 close the bracket by 2 2. What is root 2 here? 1.414. 1.414 bracket. If we subtract 1.414 minus 1, we get 0.414. See, 1 we should write before the point because after 1 there is no point. So we have to write before the point and we have to subtract it. 1 minus 1 0. 414 as it is 414. Now we have to see 1.414 minus 1. What is 0.414? 2.236 into 0.414 by 2.2 into 1.414. See, we have to cancel in 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are point, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining here. See, 3 minus 2, 1 no. 2 ones are 2 means 1 will remain here. 2 8 is 16. See here. 1.118 into 414 by 1000. How it is possible, sir? After point, how many numbers are there here? 3 numbers. So we have to divide it by 3. 3 means 1000. If it is present 4 numbers after point, we have to take 4 zeros and before 4 zeros we have to keep a point 1. See here 3 numbers means after 3 we have to take 3 zeros and before 3 zeros we have to take a 1. By same 1.414 no. After point how many numbers? 3 numbers. So we have to take 3 zeros beside 1. 1414 by 1000. See, 1000 will cancel here. What is left here? 1.118 414 by 1414. See, same. Now we have, see, these 2 numbers are divisible by 2. See how it is possible, sir? See like this here. 414 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 no. 2 twos are 4. 0. 4 minus 4 0. 1 we should take here. See, 2 can't divide 1. So again we have to take 4 here. If we, in the middle if we take 2 digits, in quotient we have to take 0. If we take 2 numbers in the middle, we have to take a 0. See, if we are taking 2 numbers now, so we have to take a 0. 14. In which how much are 14 in 2 table? 2 sevens are 14 here. 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14 0. So 207. 2 into 207 is nothing but 404. 414. Next 1414 no. 1414 in 2 table. 2 sevens are 14. 1 is not possible. We have to take 4 also. In the middle, if we take 2 numbers, we take 0 first by, but if we take starting only, we need no note to take 0. In the middle only we have to take a 0. See, 2 sevens are 14. See, 1 is not divisible by 2. Again we have to take a 4. 14. 2 sevens are 14. But we took 2 numbers here, so we have to take a 0. 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14 is nothing but 0. See, 4 14. 2 not 7s are 1 4 1 4 7 not 7. See, if we multiply this 1.118 into 207, we get 231.426 by 707. See, how can we write in the P by Q form? 231426 by, after point how many numbers are there here? 3 numbers. So we have to take a 3 zeros by 707. Now we have to write 707 in the P by Q form. How can we write it? 707 by 1. And we have to cross reciprocal it. 231426 by 1000 into 1 by 707. It will reciprocal. The denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. See, in 2 table, 2 500s are 1000, 2 115713s are 231426. Now we have to multiply it. 115713 into 1, 115713. 500 into 707, 353500. 353500. If we divide it, we get 0.3273352. What is said to find out in question? Up to 3 decimals only now. After point we can consider 3 decimals. 0.327 are 3 decimals. This is our final answer. Next, 8th bit, find 64 power 1 by 6. We have to prime factorize the number 64 first of all. You know the prime factorization. What is prime factorization? In prime factorization we have to take only prime numbers. You know what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. See, why these numbers are only called as prime numbers? Because prime numbers has only 2 factors. The number itself and 1 is a factor of all numbers. Here 2. In 2 table, 2 1s are 2 and 1 2s are 2. Only 2 factors are there. So it is a prime number. See, 64. 2 32s are 64. Again 2 16s are 32. Again 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. See, 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 64 is equals to how many 2s are there here? 6 2s. So we have to write 2 power 6. See what is given in the question? 64 power 1 by 6. No. 64 or 1 by 6 is nothing but 2 power 6. 64 can be written as 2 power 6 into what is given here? 1 by 6. 6 into 1, 6 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. See, second one. 32 can, in prime factorization, how can we write it is 32. In 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 32 is nothing but how many 2s are present here? 5 2s. So 2 power 5. 32 can be written as 2 power 5. What is given here? 1 by 5. 5, 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. See, 5 1s are 5 by 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2 only. Next, third one, 625 power 1 by 5. 1 by 4, sorry. See, 625. In 2 table, 625 is not possible. Again, next we have to take next prime number. 3 table. 3. Not possible. 5 table we have to take. 5 125 is a 625. 5 125 is a 125. 5 5 is a 25. 625 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 625 is nothing but how many 5s are present here? 4. 5 power 4. 625 can be written as 5 power 4. 1 by 4 no, into 1 by 4. See, 4 into 1, 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are. 5 power 1 is nothing but 5. Next, fourth problem. 16 power 3 by 2. 16 can be written as 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. 16 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2s are present here. So 16 is equals to 2 power 4. 16 can be written as 2 power 4 no. 2 power 4 into what is given here 3 by 2. We have to multiply this. 4 in 3 is 12 by 2. In 12 into 12 how much is 2 1s 2 6 12 no. 2 power 6. 2 power 6 can be written as 2. We have to write 2 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 6 is nothing but 64. Next, how 64? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Next, fifth one, 243 power 2 by 5. 243 can be written as, in 2 table, 243 is not possible. Next, we have to take 3 table. 381s are 243, 327s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. 243 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 243 can be written as, how many 3s are present here? 5. 3 power 5. See, 243 can be written as 3 power 5. What is given here? 2 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 2s are 10 by 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are. 3 power 2 is nothing but 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Next, here 4 6 6 5 6 power minus 1 by 6. Now we have to do a prime factorization. 2 into 2, 3, 3, 2, 8 is 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. Next 2 into 1, 1, 6, 6, 4 is 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. Next 2 into 5, 8, 3, 2 is 1, 1, 6, 6, 4. Next 2 into 2, 9, 1, 6 5, 8, 3, 2. Next 2 into 1, 4, 5, 8 is 2, 9, 1, 6. Next 2 into 2, 1 4 5 8 is 2 9 1 6 no. See here 729. 2 into 729 is nothing but 1 4 5 8. Next 729 is not possible in 2 table. Now we have to take a 3 table. 3 into 243 729. 3 into 81 343 243. 3 into 27 81. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. See 4 6 5 6 6 nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. See, count this and write this. 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. How can we write 4 6 5 6 as 2 power 6 into 3 power 6 no? Power minus 1 by 6. See here, same powers are present here. A power m into b power m. We have to combine it and power we have to write same. ab whole power m. 2 into 3 whole power 6. Same is present here. We have to write only 1. 6 into minus 1 by 6. 2 3s is nothing but 6. 6 into minus 1 minus 6 by 6. 6 1s are 6 1s are. 6 power minus 1. A power minus 1 is equals to 1 by m. See, if it is present exponent is 1, we have to write 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m means a means 6. M means 1. We have to remove minus here. 6 power 1. 6 power 1 is nothing but 6. 1 by 6 our final answer. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.